For most Indians, there's one investment that's a must-have in their portfolio: fixed deposits. It's safe, simple, and perfect for short-term goals. In fact, as of FY25, Indians have parked over 150 lakh crores in FD. On an average, an Indian invests around 4 lakh rupees in FDs. But here's the thing, most people still invest in FDs at their nearest branch or an account that they have opened years ago, without realizing they might be missing out on great returns. Enter small finance banks, which offer up to 2% higher interest rate than the traditional banks. And the best part is, your money is just as safe as in traditional banks because these investments are protected by DICGC insurance of up to 5 lakh rupees per bank. And thanks to digitization, investing in these high-yield FDs is now super easy. With Jiraaf, a SEBI-registered fixed income platform, you can invest in high-yielding FDs along with all other bond opportunities available right from your phone and at the click of a button. Start with just 1000 rupees, choose your tenor, lock in higher yields and invest within minutes. Don't settle for less, make your FD work harder for you with Jiraaf.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risks including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.